So this is an exercise that you can do as a step up to a one-legged squat, or like a pistol squat, for example. So you can put one leg back and one leg forward, keep the forward leg locked, and then just go back on the other leg. Go down as far as you want to. This is gonna give you that the deep muscle activation. Deep muscle activation, dog. Only do this if you're strong. Nope. Please. And a way to get deeper into the regular squat is have the heel of your foot elevated. This is a free way to get deeper into your stretch. Some of y'all just do like this. You know, you're only limited by a certain range. So you just come around the other way, put your feet at an incline, have your toes going up. And then, oh snap, I'm not even down that low and I already feel it. Like it feels like a lot stronger, like right here. If I go down harder, I feel like, really feel it like right here and then further, like, oh my goodness. Gotta try that. Completely free, risk free. Okay, not risk free. Try at your own damn risk.